Welcome to a journey through history, as we explore the Bibi Ka Maqbara, a lesser known yet captivating tribute to love, standing beyond the shadow of the iconic Taj Mahal. Known as the Taj of the Deccan, the Bibi Ka Maqbara was built by Prince Azam Shah in 1679 in memory of his mother, Dilra Banu Begum. While inspired by the Taj Mahal, commissioned by Emperor Shah Jahan in 1648 for Mumtaz Mahal, these two monuments reflect differing scales of ambition and resources. The Taj Mahal, with its shimmering white marble and detailed inlay work, is a global icon of opulence and symmetry. In contrast, the Bibi Ka Maqbara, constructed with limestone and stucco, exudes a more regional and intimate charm, showcasing the ingenuity of working within modest means. Both monuments feature expansive Mughal gardens, symbolizing paradise. The Taj Mahal's meticulously symmetrical charbagh design is renowned for its perfection, while the Bibi Ka Maqbara's garden reflects a simpler, yet serene adaptation of the Mughal landscaping tradition. The Taj Mahal's dome, an engineering marvel in white marble, dominates the Agra skyline. The Bibi Ka Maqbara's dome, though smaller and crafted with stucco, holds its own allure with intricate floral motifs and a striking silhouette that adds to the Deccan's architectural identity. While the Taj Mahal's walls are adorned with Quranic verses inlaid in black marble, the Bibi Ka Maqbara embraces simpler yet captivating floral stucco patterns. Both highlight the artistry and devotion of their craftsmen. Here's an interesting fact. Over 20,000 artisans worked on the Taj Mahal, and it took 22 years to complete. The Bibi Ka Maqbara, built with a smaller workforce and a fraction of the budget, still manages to convey a profound sense of love and legacy. While the Taj Mahal often steals the spotlight, the Bibi Ka Maqbara stands as a heartfelt architectural masterpiece. It's not just a reflection of Mughal aesthetics but also a testament to expressing love through simplicity. The Bibi Ka Maqbara and the Taj Mahal together tell stories of love, devotion, and architectural brilliance, each shining in its unique way.